In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Teams meeting link. Whether you're planning a quick catch-up with your team or organizing a more formal meeting, creating a Microsoft Teams meeting link is a straightforward process that can make your scheduling much easier and efficient. Let's delve into the steps to ensure you can set up your meeting with ease. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams. You can do this either through the desktop application or directly via the web interface, whichever is more convenient for you. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll see various options. Among these, look for the icon labeled Meet and click on it. This option is your gateway to scheduling or initiating new meetings efficiently. After clicking Meet, you'll notice a new set of options on your screen. Here you want to choose the option labeled Create Meeting Link. This option is specifically designed to simplify the process of sharing meeting access with others. Once selected, the system will automatically generate a unique meeting link for you. It's important to note that this link is your key to connecting with colleagues or friends across the globe. Therefore, handle it with care. With your meeting link in hand, it's now time to share it with your intended participants. You have several options for how you can do this. You could opt to send it via email if you're looking to provide a more formal invitation. Alternatively, you can share it through a chat application or direct message, which may be more suitable for quick and casual gatherings. Each method has its advantages, so choose whichever one best fits the tone and purpose of your meeting. Remember, the simplicity of Microsoft Teams interface is designed to make your meeting setup as seamless as possible. The meeting link you've just created acts as a virtual doorway, allowing participants to join your meeting effortlessly. No complicated setup procedures or technical hurdles, just a click on the link and they're in. This can significantly enhance your productivity and ensure that you can focus more on the meeting agenda rather than technical preparations. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Microsoft Teams meeting link. With this skill at your disposal, coordinating meetings and ensuring everyone is on the same page will be a breeze. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide makes your meeting preparations smoother and more efficient. If you found this walkthrough helpful or have any other topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to let us know in the comments below. Happy meeting planning!